Hello, and welcome to our short video on ChatGPT, the powerful language model developed by OpenAI. In this video, we will be exploring some lesser-known facts about ChatGPT, including some information that is not widely known. OpenAI is a leading research organization in the field of artificial intelligence. Their goal is to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity and is used for good. OpenAI is responsible for developing some of the most advanced AI technologies in the world, including the ChatGPT language model we will be discussing today. ChatGPT is a computer program that has been trained to understand and generate human-like language. It uses a special type of algorithm called a transformer, which helps it understand the context and meaning of the words it processes. The way it works is simple. When ChatGPT receives an input, such as a prompt, it breaks it down into smaller parts and decides which information is most important for generating a response. This is called an attention mechanism. It then uses this information, along with what it has learned from its training, to generate an appropriate response. But what was ChatGPT trained on? The model was trained on a massive corpus of text data, including books, articles, and websites, to name a few. ChatGPT has a deep understanding of the intricacies of the English language and can generate human-like responses to various prompts, due to its training that allows it to respond in a natural and human-like manner by generating coherent answers based on the information it has been trained on. Another little-known fact is that ChatGPT was trained on over 45 terabytes of text data. This vast amount of information allows it to have a deep understanding of the intricacies of the English language and generate human-like responses to a variety of prompts. But did you know that ChatGPT was originally designed to be a language model for coding? That's right. OpenAI initially wanted to create a model that could help developers write code more efficiently. But as the model continued to improve, its potential for other applications became apparent, and it quickly became one of the most powerful language models on the market. This technology has many practical applications, from improving customer service through chatbots, to automating content creation, to even creating new forms of human-computer interaction. But there's more to ChatGPT than meets the eye. This language model is capable of performing advanced tasks such as text completion, summarization, and even translation. This opens up even more possibilities for how it can be used in the future. However, it's important to note that despite its impressive capabilities, there are limitations to ChatGPT and language models like it. For example, it can sometimes generate biased responses or perpetuate harmful stereotypes. As with any advanced technology, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications of its use. Thank you for watching our short video on ChatGPT. We hope you have a better understanding of this language model-based chatbot now.